The long-term goals of the agency is that we prescribe something which is that there's no shortcuts. We're not out here to take shortcuts. The entire purpose of the agency is to provide SEO results in a very meaningful, cost-effective way for clients. In order to do that, you have to be good at many different things. SEO isn't just a single road that you can take. Within SEO, you have to be really good at strategy. You have to be really good at content. You have to be really good at link building. You have to be really good at technical. And there's also a couple of other things. You also have to be really good at tracking and all this other stuff, but we'll leave that out a bit. There's at least 4 or 5 different positions within the team that you have to be good at, departments within the team. Now you have a couple of different options, right? You can either choose to water down your service, in which case you make it more cookie cutter. It's less bespoke. It makes it easier for everybody else to do. You could also try to focus on one of these different items, right? You can focus on link building. You can focus on content. You can focus on strategy. But then what happens with those two options is that one, when you're watering down your service, when it becomes more cookie cutter, there's less chance of success. You're not optimizing for your own efficiency. You're not optimizing for client results. What we want to do is, regardless of what happens, as long as it's within the space of SEO, we want to be able to do it. Watering down the service doesn't make too much sense. Same thing with dividing the service up. Let's say we only focus on strategy and we outsource everything else. Now we're dependent on our partners who we're outsourcing these things out to keep up with the level of advances that we're making. We can't turn on a dime. We can recommend process improvements, but it's not up to us whether it happens. With that being said, the only option, if you want to achieve our objective, which is to provide amazing SEO results, is to keep it all in-house, train everybody up, improve all of our departments. And once again, there's no shortcuts. If this takes 10 years, it takes 10 years, but we're going to reach our goal, which is to create the best SEO agency turnkey solution that's really out there.